Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I created this look which perfectly describes the summer, the floral, the daytime, the freshness and all that jazz. So if you're interested, then just stay tuned. After using moisturizer, I'm actually priming my face with a face primer, and we need some time to get it absorbed into the skin, so I'm taking a little coffee break and we'll be right back. Okay, since I'm back, I'm actually going to prime my eyes after the face because that is very important if you're using eye makeup, mind you. And I'm actually going to go over with a little bit around my eye as well because it totally helps with the look. At least it does for me. And a bit of coffee break again. And I'm going with Iba Halal Care's BB cream because it's a no foundation day, because obviously it's summer. And this is an amazing BB cream. I highly recommend it if you're looking for a BB cream. After a bit of self-admiration, I'm going with a powder foundation. This is a mineral face powder. It's by Pierre and I highly recommend this as well. It's a really nice one. And this with the BB cream that I used, it's a match made in heaven. I'm just going all over my face with a fluffy blending brush. Make sure the brush is synthetic, After that, we move on to the eyes. I'm using a mauve color. You can use anything you have. Basically, it should be summery and floral. And going with a fluffy brush and going all over the lid. And for the outer V, I'm actually taking a little bit of darker purplish violet color and I'm going to blend it inwards. And you can do the same on the other eye as well. Make sure you blend it really well. And after that, I actually am going to take a clean blending brush and going on the edges just below my brow line to clean up the harsh lines, the edges and everything, and just buff everything out. It's very important that you do it because especially when you're not doing a dramatic nighttime makeup look, because it's a softer look, so we're just going to clean up all the mistakes that we do. And since I really love winging my eyes, I'm actually going to line my eyes and doing a dramatic wing. You can tone it down a little, or you can totally skip that, or you can totally skip the eyeliner as well for a more softer daytime look, It's all up to you. And I'm actually going to take a precision brush and tight lining my eyes with a black eyeshadow and doing the same thing in the lower lash line as well, but I'm just going to go in the corners of my eye, not all the way in, because I feel like it just gives my eyes a bigger and almond shaped kind of look. I'm actually going to just smudge the lash line a little bit just on the outer V, I used a bit of blush, and whatever is left off on the brush, I actually use it on my nose and my forehead. I think it just gives a really nice flushed look. After that, I am contouring the face, just the perimeters of the face and the hollows of the cheeks, And after that, we move on to the highlighter. I'm just going to go with a little bit, just a subtle highlight look. And of course going with the leftover on the nose and the chin. And for my lips, I'm actually going to go with something that matches my eye because the blush was kind of subtle. Make sure if your eyes and lips are doing the bold talk, the rest are subtle. And I of course always forget the mascara, so I'm not forgetting it this time. I'm including it in the video. Again, optional. I know some people don't like it, but yeah, the look is complete. And I'm going to pair up with my favorite hoop earrings because hoops are always in and they look amazing on any kind of look. So yeah, this look is complete. Let me know how you like it, and please like if you like the video and subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you soon, really soon, in my next one. Bye.